Every day, we use objects we don't even think about, from charging cables and smartphones to bridges and soda bottles. But behind their simple appearance lies a world of hidden engineering secrets that we often overlook. Today, we're answering 10 fascinating whys you probably never thought about. Stick around till the end. Some answers might just surprise you. Why do fast-charging cables wear out so quickly? You might think it's all about poor quality, but the truth is a bit more technical. Fast-charging cables carry more current, which generates extra heat and stress on the wires. They often use thinner copper strands for flexibility, but that also makes them more prone to wear and tear. Add the constant bending near the connector, and you've got a recipe for a short cable lifespan. Why do some bridges sway on purpose? Ever noticed some pedestrian or suspension bridges slightly sway when you walk on them? That's intentional. Engineers design them with flexibility so they can absorb and distribute forces from wind or earthquakes. A perfectly rigid bridge might crack or even collapse under sudden stress. Why do smartphones have multiple camera lenses? Not long ago, phones had just one lens. Now we see 3, 4, or even 5. Each lens has a specific job: wide angle, optical zoom, macro shots. Combining data from each lens creates sharper, more detailed images, turning your phone into a pocket-sized professional camera. Why do laptop and phone batteries weaken over time? Lithium-ion batteries lose a bit of their capacity with every charge and discharge cycle. Over time, chemical reactions inside the battery create buildup, reducing its ability to hold energy. That's why, after a year or two, your device's battery life feels noticeably shorter. Why do soda bottles have that specific bottom shape? The base of a soda bottle has those petal-like bumps for a reason. This shape evenly distributes the pressure from the carbonated gas inside. It also helps the bottle stand steady and resist changes from temperature or pressure shifts. Why do some car windows fog up while others don't? Windows that don't fog usually have a special anti-fog coating. This coating spreads tiny water droplets evenly across the glass, keeping the driver's view clear. Regular glass without this coating will fog up quickly in humid conditions. Why do bottled water caps have a plastic ring? That little ring isn't just for convenience. When you open the bottle for the first time, the ring separates from the cap, showing the product is untouched. It's a simple safety seal to ensure the water hasn't been tampered with. Why do some headphones have tiny holes? Those little vents help balance the air pressure inside and outside your ear. This creates a more natural sound and stronger bass. It also prevents too much pressure from building up against your eardrum. Why do new refrigerators use blue LEDs? Blue light makes food, especially fruits and vegetables, look fresher. Some research even suggests it can slow the growth of certain bacteria. That's why many brands use it in modern fridge designs. Why do HDMI cables have a maximum length? HDMI cables transmit high-speed digital signals. When the cable is too long, the signal weakens, causing noise, dropouts, or glitches. That's why most HDMI cables are kept under about 5 meters, 16 feet. These details prove that even the simplest objects have a lot of science and thought behind them. Next time you come across one of these items, you'll know exactly why it's designed that way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop a comment telling us which why you want us to answer next.